Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. I know there are many people, they were waiting for the Unix course to be launched, and yes, it has been launched on my website now. You can just visit to my website learnomate.org, and there you can see this course which is completely free of cost. No, you will not be able to see that completely free of cost at this point. Yes, it will be completely free of cost once I share my coupon code. Okay, so how to get this course completely free of cost, and that is a Linux course. Linux have a lot of demand in the market. If you talk about any technology which is based on the Linux server, then obviously you should know how to install this server, and you should know the basic command of Linux. In this course I have already explained you how to install the Ubuntu operating system and all the commands which we are using in the real-time production environment. So if you take any example, let's say you are working with the Oracle database technology, or you are working with the Hadoop technology, cloud technology, you take any technology guys, Unix and Linux is really important. You should know this technology. By looking to this consideration only, I have created this complete course which will help you to understand the commands of the Linux operating system as well as the overall architecture of the Linux operating system. Okay, so how to get this course completely free of cost? Let me tell you. First of all, let's go to my screen and let's visit the website. Here you need to visit my website learnomate.org and just scroll it down little bit. You can see the list of courses over here. You can just click on the preview these courses. Alright, so this is a course which you can see right now it is in $10. Okay, and there are many people already enrolled for it. Okay, so if I just scroll it down, you can see there are 4 tabs are there which is related to the description. Then click on the curriculum. You can see the curriculum over here, and then announcement. If I want to announce anything, you can see the announcement over here, and you can add the reviews once you see this course over here. You can just log in. All right, now what you need to do, how you can get this course completely free of cost? You need to go to the register. You can just click on the register link. You can go to this link from here, as well as there is a register link is there on the top. You can follow that one also. All right, so we are here. Scroll it down. You need to enter your name, email, mobile number, and in training you can just use free where is that free Linux course. Okay, you can just select this option. If you have any questions, queries, or anything you want to share with me, you can just add it over here and click on the register. I will get your email message guys. Okay, so what I will do, I will send an email to all the people who has been registered on my website along with the coupon code. You just need to open your email and just check whether you got any email from my site, from the learnomate.org, and you can use that coupon code. Let me show you how you can use that coupon code. Okay, first of all, go to the courses. Let me go to the courses. So there we have the course which is available Linux free. Preview this course. Click on the get course. Now it will ask you to register yourself. If you have already registered, you can use your username and password. If you have not registered, click on the register button. Then enter your basic details like username, password, email ID, and the password. Click on register. You will get the activation link on your email ID. You need to activate that. Then click on the login. Enter your username and password. So I'm just entering my username and password over here. It is just a test user. I have just added. All right. You can see on the top your name should be available there. Click on the get course. I'm scrolling it down. You can see there is course which is added into the cart. Okay. Now if you just scroll it down, you can see the amount it is showing it as $10. Now you want it free of cost, right? So the coupon code which I have given in the email, you can copy that and just paste it over here. Then apply coupon. Once you click on the apply coupon, it will become 0. You need to enter your coupon, whatever you will set it, and then let's say I have given some coupon like XYZ, and click on apply coupon. Once you click on apply coupon, right now there is no coupon like this because there is no XYZ coupon. So whatever coupon I'll give it, just apply coupon and it will become 0. Then click on the proceed to checkout. Okay, it should be 0 guys. Okay, here you can mention your the details like you will not get this page because if the amount is 0, you don't need to provide your net banking details or PayPal, you don't need to pay if it is 0. Or if you don't get the coupon code, what you can do, you can register yourself again, and then I will send you the coupon code in the next batch. If you want to purchase it and you are very excited to, you think like $10 you can take it, you can just spend it from your pocket, then click on the place order, and here you will get the options to enter your credit card details or debit card details. You can also do the payment with the help of PayPal. This is how you can get the course free of cost. And once you are done, click on the my courses. In the my courses, you will see your course over here. It will be like this. Click on the start course, and then you can watch your all the courses like this. Click on the next. You can watch all of the courses. Here is a grid option is there where multiple sections are there. You can just utilize it. I hope you will like this course, and you let me know your feedback, and you can just enroll yourself and add the details over here. If you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know guys. I'll be really excited to know your reviews in this tab. You can just log in and provide your reviews also. Thank you so much. And if you're looking for Oracle database training, definitely you can contact me. All right. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again with the next video.